Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and I'm just going to jump right into this video. I said on Instagram I was going to try a foaming mousse on my hair for a wash and go because I never tried it. So that's what I'm doing today. So right now I'm just going in with the 5-in-1 leave-in treatment from Lotta Body. My hair has already been washed and conditioned, by the way. And I'm just going to comb that through my hair and twist it up until I get through all the sections of my hair. So I applied the leave-in conditioner all through my hair. So now I'm going to start my wash and go. I'm just going to take down a section and make sure that it's combed out all the way through because I'm doing the raking method. And I'm going to take the Lotta Body coconut and shea oil wrap me foaming mousse and just apply it to every section of my hair. And now I'm using the raking method to do my wash and go. So for the raking method, all you're going to do is put the product on your hair and literally turn your hand into like a rake and rake it through your hair. It's kind of self-explanatory. The reason I'm going in with the raking method is because I did find out that this technique gives me less shrinkage. I want my styles not to be stretched but have more length than usual. Shingling gives me a super defined curl, but it also gives me more shrinkage. Also, as I stated earlier, you want to make sure your hair is combed out because if you go back in with a comb or a brush to like comb out the ends of your hair, it will define your curl different than if you do it with your hands. So I'm just going to repeat these steps all through my hair, taking section by section and applying the foaming mousse from root to end, and I will come to you guys when I'm done. So I'm done styling with the foaming mousse and these are my curls that are still wet. I'm just going to let my hair air dry overnight. This mousse is a fast drying mousse, or so it claims to be. So my hair will probably be dry in a couple hours, but I'm going to bed. So the next morning my hair was dry and look at this definition and volume that I got. This is 1 day hair. My hair doesn't usually get this big until about day 3. So I was definitely satisfied with my results. One thing that I'm not gonna say I didn't like it, but as you can see, like it's not as much definition in the back, but my hair has like a couple different curl patterns, so I'm not surprised. So maybe I may have to use a different method, like only in the back of my head. But as for the front, I'm absolutely in love with these curls. I have fine strands, so for me to have this much volume, especially on day 1, definitely is a plus for me. I just took a couple of the curls that I saw with like a little too much frizz, and took the mousse and just went over it and just redid that curl over. I had some frizz that added volume to my hair, so I really wasn't concerned about that. I absolutely love the frizz. One thing I noticed is that my hair didn't have as much shine as I would like, so I just took this Lotta Body Illuminate Me mist and sprayed it throughout my hair, and that fixed that problem with no problem. So just to wrap up this video, my final thoughts are I absolutely love this foaming mousse on my wash and go. It gave me instant volume in a short period of time, and my curls are defined. My hair is also soft and moisturized. A couple things that I can see this being an issue is that I can see it getting a little too frizzy too fast since it's already frizzy on the first day, and that the hold wasn't like crunchy. That's perfectly fine with me, but I could see it being an issue for somebody else, for people who like to feel the crunch in their hair. Other than that, this mousse did exactly what I needed it to do. I'm going to try out all my other mousses now and also try out other styles, like a twist out maybe. I already did a Perm Rod Set. I'll link that video down below. Let me know down below what you guys think of this bomb wash and go. Let me know if you used the foaming mousse for a wash and go before. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.